guys, I am back. I am NoshMUA and I am back with a bang again. I know it has been ages since the last time I've done my video. Yeah, I've kind of been a little bit busy with so many things. I've been focusing on my lash brand, my courses, my website as well. So there's loads of amazing, like crazy things. Today I'm going to be doing a look inspired by MMMMITCHELL. The whole blue winged eyeliner, the spotlight. I am totally feeling this look. And I am going to be featuring some new brands that are out there that we need to get our hands on. Honestly guys, like there's dollbeauty, there's oliviabelle, of course. There's so many beautiful brands out there which I really want to showcase to you guys and just show you that there are beautiful small businesses out there that offer amazing ranges. So if you guys want to know exactly how to get this amazing look, then just keep on watching.
Right, so let's get started guys. I've already done the one side of my eye already, and now we are going to work on the amazing oliviabelle Beauty's Brow Promade in the shade Ebony. It's a gorgeous and long-lasting brow gel which glides on with ease guys, and just a little bit goes such a long way because it's so pigmented. I'm just filling them in with a MAC 263 brush, and I start applying most of the bulk of the product in the middle of my brow and taking that all the way to the end. I then brush them out with a spoolie to give a nice faded brow or an ombre effect. I'm also using the plouise base for my eye base, and if you guys want to know my review on the base and on her palette, then do check out my last video. So now I'm going to go into the amazing eyeshadows of oliviabelle again, and I'm going to go in the shade of orange, and I'm packing that colour in the crease with a smudger brush, and I'm buffing out the edges so that the colour goes towards the brow area. Next I'm going in with Melkior's yellow, and with a fluffy blending brush I'm merging that orange and yellow together for that perfect transition. So next I am going to go in with the shade Candy from oliviabelle and also the shade Contour from the plouise palette. I'm just putting this just slightly under orange and blending this to have a gradient effect. Be sure to use separate blending brushes in between guys. And now the crazy bit guys, so the spotlight cut crease. I'm using plouise base and I'm using a Zoeva 144 brush. And I'm cut creasing at the darkest part of the eyeshadow, which is the contour. You don't want all that blending to go to waste, and it will definitely make the cut crease super pop. So take your time, look from afar, take little mini breaks if you have to, just so you can get the symmetry guys. So the best tip is to dab your brush so it forms like a little stencil. So as you can see, I am really taking my time, dabbing that brush and really getting in there. Once that's done, then I pull the product downwards all the way to the lash line. Phew, and now that cut crease is done, now moving on to merging those colors. So once that's done, I use a flat Zoeva brush, and using the same colors that I used on my crease, I'm merging all of those colors inwards. So starting off with contour, then candy, orange, and yellow. And oh my god guys, please ignore the state of my face. I've got gel liner and shadow everywhere on my face. So now on to highlighting the center part of my eyelid. I'm using Ice Baby by the amazing Lindsay Douglas. It's the best icy pigment ever. If you guys want to purchase it, then go ahead and log on to linseydouglasmua.com. So now that amazing blue liner guys, I'm using a gel liner by oliviabelle again, and I'm using a small detailed art brush. I take the gel liner and I make sure it's super warm to allow the product to move with ease. I'm patting that liner on my crease as well as creating that amazing flip. So take your time with this guys. And I then set the liner and intensify the color with oliviabelle shadow in Blue Wish. I'm also using the black gel liner and just filling the front because, girl, I love my black gel liner. Honestly, her shadows and pigments gel liners are just so amazing. So be sure to buy yours at oliviabellebeauty.com. And you can also use NOSH25 for your 25% off discount code. I'm now smoking out my lower lash line using a smudger brush, using the shades Candy, Orange and Yellow, and also using the black gel liner too. So now my favorite part, lashes. I'm using my own lash brand called NoshMUA Signature Mink Lashes in the style Fierce. You can go and check them out on noshmua.co.uk. And I'm applying Benefit Cosmetics Lash Glue and giving it a few seconds for it to become a little bit tacky. And then all you want to do is the flip and wiggle technique. Yes, that's right. So all you have to do is just hold your lashes with your tweezers at the center. You then flip them and then wiggle your head like a crazy person and they will fit into your lash line with ease. So now moving on to the skin. I'm using MAC Strobe Cream in Silverlite, and oh my god guys, it's so amazing if you want to get that ultimate glow. And I'm also using the illlamasqua Skin Base in the shade 12 and using a Real Techniques blush brush to blend everything all in place. So after beating the face, I am totally loving the results of the illlamasqua foundation and the strobe cream. It's absolutely awesome. So now I am going to go in with Tarte Concealer in the shade Light Medium Honey, and I am highlighting as well as concealing underneath my eyes, as well as the bridge of the nose, as well as the Cupid's bow and my forehead. I'm also using a foundation brush to pat everything securely in place. And now onto the contour. So now this is super exciting for me because guess what? I'm not using my NYX Wonder Stick this time. I am using the Max Mineralise Skin Finish in the shade Dark. And I'm using a illlamasqua buffing brush just underneath my cheekbones. I also use this just on the temples of my forehead, on my nose, and also underneath that double chin. So now onto the highlighter. Oh my god guys, this highlighter is light. It's so pigmented. I'm using a powder or blush brush by Real Techniques, and I'm just popping this on my cheekbones, on my forehead, on my nose, just literally everywhere because I want to glow. You can purchase your Doll Beauty highlighter on dollbeauty.co.uk. So just finishing off the lips, I have used the lip liner Max Cork and also Velvet Teddy by MAC as well. I'm using one of their little lipstick minis. They're so cute. I'm also creating an ombre effect by using NYX the shade Cairo and finishing off with a beautiful clear glass. And here's the finished look guys. So thank you so much for sticking around to watch the end of this video. Please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel guys. It would mean the world to me. I'm also available on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. The name is NoshMUA. And also do check out noshmua.co.uk. I also specialize in accredited makeup courses as well as my signature lash range. Loads of love to you guys. Until next time.